Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, aanasmira, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do one of my favorite things to do, which is unboxing new clothes. I've been following Danielle Cathari for a little while now. She started out with like deconstructing and reconstructing Adidas outfits. She dropped a collab with Adidas back in 2018. It sold out like that, and I think it's because Kendall Jenner was her muse. It came in black, green, red, blue, and a camel color, I want to say, and I loved it so much, but I didn't get my hands on it. She did another drop with Adidas in 2019, and if you follow me on Instagram, you will see me wearing that. And she actually commented on one of my pictures, which was super cool, but I still like wanted her tracksuit. And I even told her, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so sad I missed out on your first drop with Adidas. And then this year she had another drop of those same tracksuits, but in different colorways. So I will be unboxing what color I got. I'll also be trying this on too. So if you want to see, stay tuned. So I got it in the yellow. It comes in this color as well as like a lavender color. Since I already have her lavender sweatsuit, I didn't want to get it again, even though I really did love it in the purple. Like, y'all know purple's my favorite color, so when I saw it, I was like, ooh, I really want it. But no, I controlled myself and got the yellow instead. So yeah, this is the jacket. Let me take it out of the thing. Oh, this yellow is so pretty. It's perfect for spring. So I got it in a small. It was $100, but I think they had a sale going on, so I got a little discount on it. But yeah, this is how the front looks, and this is how the back looks. I love the fact that there's a zipper on the back. That's so cool. I wonder if it's a functional zipper. It's not. It would have been kind of cool if it was. Does this unsnap? Yes, but it doesn't open up or anything. Dang. There are like all these pocket holes, but not real pockets. Y'all know I love me some pockets. These are probably real pockets, yeah. That'd be dope if this was a pocket too. I love the Adidas logo on it for the zipper. And this is how the inside looks. So here are the pants. These are so cool. I freaking love these. And of course it has the Adidas logo. And I got these in a small as well. These were $90, but again, there was a sale going on, so I know I didn't pay $190 for this. I think I paid like $120 or $130, something like that. So yes, these are perfect for the spring/summer, but I do live in Texas, so it's hot 24/7, 365. So I might not be able to wear it. Maybe if I could have like a movie night or something, or I'm gonna be in a restaurant, but if I'm gonna be outside for a little while, I can't wear this bad boy. But this is so cute. I freaking love it. Let's see. And I love how it has the mixture of the light yellow and the darker yellow. Even though they have snaps, these are not windbreaker pants. Oh, yay! but it does have a back pocket that is functional, which is good. So it has snaps all up and down the legs, but they are not functional. There is a pocket here on the front. I hope this is a real pocket. Ugh, Danielle, you are missing the mark, girl. You gotta get all these pockets, because some girls don't like carrying around purses and stuff. Like, if this was a real pocket, it'd be lit. Be lit. And then, I'm sure this is a real pocket, though. But that'd be so cool. Girls love pockets. Yeah, like I said, I love the mixture of the yellows. Like, I like that it's a two-tone monochrome look. Of course, it has the iconic 3 stripes everywhere. I'm obsessed with this tracksuit. I love it. The color, yellow is a happy color. So when I wear this, I will be very happy. So yeah, let me go ahead and try these on so you guys can see how it looks on me. So this is how the pants look. They fit really well. With my flat booty. They are too long, of course, because I'm petite. So I can either wear heels or like chunky sneakers and I'll probably be straight. So let's try it on with the jacket to see how it fits. So this is how the jacket fits. It's a cropped jacket, so I would probably wear like a cropped shirt with it as well. The sleeves are a little long, but of course I'm petite, so it is gonna be kind of big on me, but I do like how it feels. I do like how it looks. I don't mind a slouchy look at all. But yeah, this is how it looks. Let me zip it up for y'all. I look like a 70s drug dealer. Alerted. But honestly, like, I wouldn't even have to wear a shirt with this. Like, this would be cute by itself, and I like just zip it all the way up. I think that would be cute. It'd be a lurk. But yeah, I think this would definitely be a lurk. A good lurk. Just gotta wear my bamboo earrings. I look like somebody from like the 80s in New York. Love it. But yeah, I like how it looks. I like how it fits. You can do it like that. Pop the collar down. Or have it half zipped or unzipped. You'd be good to go. But yeah. I do like this a lot. And it's not very like heavy. So like if you live in one of like the colder states, like on the East Coast or like the West Coast, you could probably get away with this during like the spring, summer. But like I said, Texas is hot AF, 365. It's just hot as fuck all the time. Oh, I forgot. It zips. So like, if I wanted to wear this with heels, which would be super cute as well. Oh my gosh. I'm just getting so much inspiration. I'm so excited. Like if I wore this with heels, zipped up with a clutch, honey, I'd be good to go, okay? Ready for that brunch, ready for that patio, that rooftop bar, the wind blowing through my legs as I'm walking down the street, okay? Hot girl summer ain't ready for me, but I don't know how hot's gonna be because of Corona, but you know. A girl can dream. Like I said before, I really do love the two-tone colors. It just gives it that extra pizzazz that it needs. It's like a, I don't know how to explain it, like a dandelion yellow, like a butter. Yeah, this is like a butter yellow, and then this is like a sunflower yellow. a Funyun yellow. Butter and Funyuns. What's up? What's up? I like how it kind of goes with my shirt. Because my Black Panther shirt has the yellow details on it. The yellow, the yellow, the yellow, the yellow. So yeah. You can dress this up or down. As you can see, you can wear it super casual. And as I said previously, you can wear it with heels, put on a clutch, and you're good to go. This is a very versatile tracksuit, and I'm happy that I got it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see me do more unboxing videos, leave it in the comments. Let me know what you want to see next. Subscribe. Make sure to follow me on all my social media at aanasmira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.